Today I'm at the beach and I'm visiting my brother and his 3 sons and my sister-in-law. And on this little mini trip, I took with me some oil-free vegan food that I prepared, and I'm going to show you what I'm eating for breakfast, lunch, dinner, or snacks, so you can get an idea about what I eat, just to show you that you can pack some food and visit people and still have a good time while they're eating their burgers and while they're eating their scrambled eggs and bacon. You're eating your vegan food and everything works out fine.
Day 1 vlog.
Oh no. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with these. Okay. These are seasoned black beans with brown rice, almond ricotta cheese, avocado sweet potato and salsa, and Ezekiel sprouted tortilla. It's huge and it's messy. We have quinoa with a little miso paste in there, corn, and some steamed sweet potatoes with a side salad that has some fresh apples in it.
They scream at me. Yeah, it's a perfect place to do that. Can you give me a voiceover real quick? Like, give me like selling a car.
Oh god, that's so weird.
I just want to hear it.
What am I
Sell me a car, like a Hyundai.
Oh, I don't. Oh,
It doesn't matter.
I don't do those. Oh, I do, but I hate them. I don't do them anymore.
Toyota,
Oh, just
a Ford.
I don't even remember. Like Larry H. Miller, something Ford. You know, I don't even know what I was doing. I put on a different face for that, right? And, you know.
I wish I could do that shit.
Oh, but.
Freedom is the only way, yeah. And forget the rest. This is awkward. Just kidding. Hello.
Oh, hello. This is normal
Yes,
conversation we have every
conversation.
day. This is what we were talking about before. We were making videos. It's normal.
Day 2 vlog.
It also tastes like eggs because of the Indian black salt. Served with a side of crispy bell peppers and fresh strawberries. I'm having fruit. And my brother's laughing at me, huh?
I'm eating coffee.
We're eating coffee. He's eating coffee. Bye.
Hey.
This is a BLT, but instead of the bacon, it's tempeh that's been sliced, marinated, and baked in the oven with spices that resemble bacon. Crispy too.
We went to the left every time we went to the beach.
Over here is good.
Okay, because you're used to it. Someone was proposing and she accepted. Oh my God! I'm gonna die!
Don't you laugh at me. be crazy if you had a comeback right now.
If he keeps spamming that same thing, maybe he will, dude.
Good. Whoop his ass.
Turn around. There you go. Oh.
These are smoky beet black bean burgers with baked hatch chili fries.
So good. Same reaction every time.
I moved it. It's too late. Oh no!
Day 3 vlog. These pancakes are made with acorn flour, so they're acorn pancakes with strawberry rhubarb jam I made last week. And I bought these Alala berries and strawberries from a local fruit stand.
What's wrong with you?
I thought you were like,
Oh no! I guess I'll have to eat it.
I'll show you how to make these vegan barbecued ribs on a future YouTube video, as well as other recipes. These potatoes I grew in my garden. I tossed them in vegan mayo. And for dessert, we're having vegan carrot cake from Yummy Cupcakes in Burbank, California.
The pain is worse! So I dig in! Because I am a soldier in life. It may be pointless to you, but the zombies are coming. So, this is my training.
Put your shoes on!
You're right. It's a mess. Now.
Oh, you beat me.
I won.
So I'm back home now, and a week prior it was 117 degrees record heat, which burned some of my crops. So I'm checking up on them to make sure that they're all okay. Looks like they're doing well, so I'm going to water tonight. I'm doing more videos with detailed recipes. And if you don't want to miss any of these recipes, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.